Hey there, this is Jaylene from AutoDrill.
And today we're going to be talking about collets, collet nuts, and collet chucks. Here we have a multiple spindle head with mini ER8 collet nuts. You can twist off the collet nut, put the collet in, and lock it into place. Using your collet wrench, you can tighten or loosen the nut onto the spindles. Next, we are going to take a look at an ER20 chuck. This one is a hex style nut. Similar concept to the last example, the nut twists and threads directly onto the chuck. The next thing I have here is an ER40 collet chuck. Now we are going to take a look of how to install the collet. First, we twist off the nut from the chuck. When looking inside, we can see that there is a groove on the inside lip of the nut. Now we are going to take our collet, and here you will notice the collet also has a groove. When you put the collet into the nut, you want to make sure it locks into its place. When the collet is installed, you can thread the nut back onto your collet chuck. Once the nut is hand tight, you can use your collet wrench to tighten the nut further onto the chuck. At AutoDrill, we carry a large variety of different ER styles, including having standard and metric sizes on hand.
And that's just a little bit of information on collets, collet nuts, and collet chucks here at AutoDrill. Thank you for watching.